Today I will show you how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 Beta for even more stable experience. So let's get straight to it. So a lot of you guys are actually on Windows 11 Developer right now, but here is also the Windows 11 Beta version. So if you are actually running Windows 10, for example, like me right here, you will go to the settings right now. And as you can see right here, we have update and security settings right here. Click on that and go down the bottom to the Windows Insider program, as you can see right there, and click get started. So as you can see right here, we will need to pick an account from Microsoft. So if you haven't already, make sure to create one at their website. So we have this one. This is my test Gmail. So I will use it for this tutorial. So click continue, for example, and click here, beta channel, which is currently recommended and of course the most stable Windows 11 experience so far. So click confirm right here and click agree with these terms, and we will need to restart computer. I will click restart later because I will show you one more thing right now. So here is the Microsoft their website for Windows 11, and as you can see they have this tool called for compatibility, for checking compatibility, but the tool is coming soon. So I found out recently one great tool which is also open source and on GitHub, which is called Why Not Win 11, and we can download it right now, and we can also see if our system is compatible with Windows 11. So let's get straight to it. So I will download this Windows Why Not Win 11 exe on the GitHub. Right click on the left click on the exe, and this program will get all the information that it needs for the Windows 11 compatibility. And as you can see, we have results based on currently known requirements. This is the program Why Not Win 11. You can also support the creator of this tool on their PayPal. So as you can see, we have architecture, which is good for my system. Boot is also good as UEFI. CPU compatibility is not currently listed, and CPU core count is 4, which is also okay. CPU frequency is also okay, but here isn't DirectX and VDDM2 driver. I think this isn't needed for Windows 11. So there is also this partition type, RAM install, secure boot, and here we have all these compatibility results. So if you guys don't mind, let me just restart the computer and let me show the Windows 11 beta update. So let's click restart, and I will get back to you when the computer is done restarting. So as you can see, we successfully booted up our Windows 11. And if you guys may be asking yourself, why am I using this huge ass cursor on the Windows 10 currently? Because of the demonstrational purposes only, guys, only for you guys, so you can guys clearly see what I click on the Windows 11 or Windows 10 or what operating system I'm currently on. So here we have update and security, and hopefully our Windows installation is currently, as you can see, enrolled into the beta program and is also in beta channel. So if you go to the Windows update right now and click install now, we will need to install these updates, every single one of them, and then again check for the updates so we can also download the Windows 11 beta version of the Windows operating system. So I will wait Windows installing these updates, and I will get back to you when the updates are finished updating. I really hope that Windows installed all the Windows 10 required updates for this Windows 11 update to be available right now. But as you can see, we are currently on the update and security, and Windows is also checking for the updates right now. So with this checking for the updates, the Windows 11 beta developer preview build should pop up on the Windows 11 on the Windows 10 update radar, and we can successfully proceed with downloading it. So as you can see, Windows 11 Insider Preview beta version is currently downloading, started downloaded, and we are currently in the Windows 11 beta channel, which is also recommended and the most stable one. And of course, you will be able to once Windows 11 official version or a stable version is out, you will be able to upgrade from Windows 11 beta to Windows 11 official version. So that's been it for this video. I hope I helped you guys to install Windows 11 Beta, which is the most stable Windows 11 version so far. And with that being said, make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment down below what do you think about Windows 11, like this video for the algorithm, and I see you all in the next one. Peace.